All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Turbo community. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. Let's get right in today's topic and see what's happening with Turbo and, of course, what is yet to come. So, looking across the board, a lot of red today, of course, as you can see. Not a big surprise factor to any one of us because, this is something we have been anticipating. As we are getting closer and closer to the U.S. election, you are actually seeing the broader market starting to retrace. And dominance, on the other hand, is on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high yet again. A lot of coins down today. As you can see, Rune down, Popcat down, Dogecoin. I did make a Dogecoin update if you did end up watching it, showing significant amount of strength recently. But besides that, broader market is actually seeing a pullback. Over the last 1 hour, you have seen a little bit of an uptick within the markets, but I don't buy this still, in my opinion. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Turbo. We're going to go into the top 200 coins. You're seeing Turbo up 2.1% over the past 1 hour, but over the last 1 week, you're seeing a 20% pullback along with the broader market. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at what's really happening with Turbo. So you can see the price of Turbo down to 0.0074 cents, as mentioned, down about 1.8% in USD and about 0.8% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is above $500 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $105 million. If we're looking at the broader meme coin market, guys, the broader meme coin market in terms of valuation itself is actually below 60 billion. You are seeing a tremendous amount of red over the course of the last 7 days, pretty much for the broader market, except Dogecoin. Again, speaking about the momentum itself really being felt over there, but you are looking at pretty much the broader market seeing a double-digit pullback. And that tells you everything you need to know. The entire market is reacting specifically to the dominance, rising the way it has been. You can see this for yourself. Dominance, as of recording this update, is sitting at 60.51%. And maybe when you guys are watching this update, I would not be surprised if you actually saw dominance pulling another yearly high yet again. So, looking at Bitcoin, though, Bitcoin has made its way back above $68,000. Again, whale manipulation occurring. Whales, taking massive advantage to take, complete advantage of, this U.S. election uncertainty. Speaking about uncertainty, it's still quite high in terms of retail investors. And what I noticed what is happening right now is a lot of, positions are being into stable coins, because people are not sure how this U.S. election is going to go. No one does. So in this case, what's really happening is, a lot of money is flowing into stable coins, and then, once whatever happens, people, I think, are going to allocate their money back into altcoins, whatever the election outcome really is. So that's what I'm projecting. Even though you are seeing Bitcoin sitting at $68,000, like I said, I'm still not buying it. I still do believe Bitcoin goes a little lower leading into the U.S. election. So let me know your predictions down below. But you guys can see, Bitcoin is still at $68,000. In terms of, Bitcoin's price, as far as the bigger picture is concerned, it's not looking bearish at all. Bitcoin is still sitting in the 23.6 fib zone. But, this specific move was driven by none other than institutions itself. BlackRock, if you've been watching my videos, you guys know BlackRock has been purchasing Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. They're coming in, and BlackRock by no means is a small entity, one of the biggest institution. And of course, it's not a big surprise that, why the price of Bitcoin is moving, even though we have not seen retail interest. But well, now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at what's happening with Turbo. So Turbo did obviously drop below that 1 cent price point. And, you guys can literally go watch some of my updates around here. I was saying, leading into the election, would not be surprised if we actually start retesting some of these support levels. And some people were calling me absolutely crazy, thinking that, I'm just out here for no reason talking bearish. No, you need to understand how this broader market works. If you're not going to understand how this broader market is going to work, you will get left behind. Of course, our emotions can get the best of us sometimes, but you cannot let that happen, because as soon as you do that, boom, a lot of profits are going to be left on the table. And speaking about a lot of profits left on the table, imagine anyone that had, the previous all-time high as a support and, really told themselves, hey, what? If we go below that previous all-time high support, I lock my profits in, or my stop loss hits then. If you did that, you could have seen, a 28% drop. Like, you could have pretty much kind of not had this 28% drop happen to you, and you could have just locked in profits. And if you are a big turbo holder, maybe right here you could have gotten at a 30% cheaper price. That's why it's so important to lock in profits. And some people just completely forget some things that are right in front of us, and some people just completely forget to accept the reality, and have just complete unrealistic price projections, thinking turbo is going to go against the broader market. No, that's not the case, and we can clearly see that confirmation yet again playing out for us. And if you want to put this into perspective, from its all-time high, turbo did drop 45%, and this is just in a matter of literally about 3 weeks. That's how fast meme coins can move down, literally like that. Boom, boom, boom. They can go up, of course, but when it comes to going down, they can go as fast as they go up. So we need to keep that factor in mind. Most of these meme coins, supply and demand. I know some people are going to come out and say first AI coin, this and that, and I'm saying this about every coin. I'm not just saying this about turbo. Especially meme coins specifically, you don't want to get emotionally attached to anything, to be quite frank with you. But especially meme coins, they don't have real utility, and I will say this from till the end. I will continue to remind each and every one of you guys. So lock those profits in when you see them. And right now you are seeing the price of turbo being supported by that key. So actually, as the price is trying to break out, we do have some resistance, of course, coming in its way, but pretty much the support at the 68.30 is still in play, in my opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.